Welcome back to East Kalimantan, Borneo. Here's a little sizzle to get things started for day 6 in the jungle. The toothbrush is back, baby. Good morning on day 6. We had a nice rain in the night, but I think everything stayed pretty dry. The guys are watching wild boar hunting videos. Red Kaloi. The gym got pretty soaked. River looks good though.
Oh, I can just see. Swim out there and cast?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, he moved again.
Red Kaloi on the cruise right there.
He moved to there.
Tejep, babi berenang.
Ming is bringing out a cockroach fry for Rob. Rob had a rise on the popper. Hopefully the roach will get it done.
Boom, just underneath the water, just following, just.
No shit, damn. Good for you for getting out there.
Those fish are fucking getting in your head, man.
Day 6 begins. Fishing with Eric. Pretty stoked because we're fishing downriver of camp for the first time all trip. Some big water with lots of big fish, hopefully. All right, Eric's on a big Kaloi, right in some nasty structure. Nice, nasty structure. We'll see what we have to do. That's oh, he's right there. He's right there. He was on top. He was on top. Just pull left. Pull left. You got yeah. Pull him out. Pull him out. Pull him out.
Slow.
Okay. Pull. Get him out. Unless he's wrapped. Nope. Pull left. Pull left. Get low on him and pull him out. Yep. Okay, stay right. Okay, watch that. Yep. Can we go out a little bit, maybe?
Yeah.
Canting.
Yeah.
Boop. Okay. Yep. Go right. Just get him away from the boat and then come back. Oh. Go right if you can, and then just give me a little space to scoop. Go left. Oh. Got him. Hey, let's go, Red Kaloi. Good work, buddy. All right, we got a beach right there. Nice female, looks like. Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say, hit this spot right there, because that looked good too. Nice, glad you went for the second shot. Good shit.
I didn't think it was gonna work. Interesting.
Nice, dude. Good work. Boom. E with a nice Kaloi to start day 6. Let's go, baby. Here's Big E with a nice Kaloi. Look at the side eye from her, though. Hilarious. How you feeling, E?
Amazing.
Much better than earlier?
Yeah.
A lot better?
But we did it.
Big hacking chickens on the houseboat, baby. Unfortunately, the gold mining started, so we got to go back up river because it's way too turbid to fish down here. Solid start to the morning, though. Eric got a great Kaloi. I had one bite from a smaller fish, looks like a little Kaloi, and we're gonna go back up and see what happens.
Just go sit and have lunch and go get them again.
I'm not hungry.
But sit and let them reset. How you guys doing? Heard it. Good luck.
Clear that Rob was not amused with us spooking his fish.
I caught a falling helicopter while we were cruising. Woo! Like most stuff here, it's edible. Look at that, a little peanut. Lunchtime.
Yes, sir. Damn, that one's moving.
These are fascinating to watch, and what's even cooler is they were starting to bloom when I was here in November.
Here's the fly Eric is fishing. It is very well loved. Look at all those bite marks. Put it back in there, a little further upstream. One more just in case. A little bit more upstream. There we go. What happened?
Cast it between those two logs. It's about to get snagged. I just pulled it out and he came chasing after it. Looked at it.
Kaloi.
Couldn't connect.
Yeah. Fuck, we need stinger hooks, dude. We just snag them. We're coming up to the spot where Eric hooked a big one yesterday. What's up, buddy?
Logging, mining, there's a lot going on the river.
We had some great drama between lunchtime and about 2:30, and since then it's been real quiet. I just had about nothing happen for an hour. Eric was taking a big old nap. I could hear him snoring. And just landed a small impala that the guys in camp will enjoy eating. But hopefully it picks up. What's that big boy?
Pretty big meat. Damn. You see the wake coming through the nest.
Shit. Hi Rob, how was the day?
It was a lot. A lot of heartbreak. Heartbreak kids.
Gimana kalau
trước thì here đến nhé.
Come on.